We got another box from Universal Yums, and let's see which part of the world we're tasting today. We're tasting Colombia! See! First thing that we're gonna try, Rosquilla La Nina Cheese Snack. Very light cheese, salty, very subtle flavor. 7 out of 10.
Subtlety is enough for me. 8.
Papacon Sabor, limon. Lemon. Similar to salt and vinegar chips. 10 out of 10.
10.
Cinetas, limon, bacon. It's shaped like bacon! It's like fish cracker. The Philippines cannot taste that much of a bacon. 8 out of 10.
You know what it tastes like? Chicharrones de harina. Very sour lime. I need hot sauce. 10 out of 10.
Risadas mayo flavored snack. Looks like Ruffles. It really tastes like mayo. When you dip the potato chips in a mayonnaise, 10 out of 10.
8.
Green banana chips, sriracha. Kinda sweet, spicy. 7 out of 10.
Plantain with a kick. This is a 9.
Colombiana La Nuestra. Ooh, diet soda. Fizzy water with flavor. 9 out of 10.
Very subtle soda flavor. 10. I want a diet.
Wafer Jet. Very classic chocolate wafer. 10 out of 10.
Delicioso. 10.
Coffee cake. It's still whole. Coffee, please. Straightforward coffee cake. For a package like this, and it's very moist and it's good. 10 out of 10.
You dip banana bread in the coffee. 10 out of 10. Would like to do this myself. It reminds me of your father. Jumbo peanut. Because the peanuts are big. Chocolatey. Peanut brittle. 10 out of 10.
It's like payday. 9 out of 10. Brinky lemon flavor cookie. Looks like small Oreo. 10 out of 10. Buttery cookie with lemon.
Classic vanilla cookie. Lemony. 8.
Chew and crunchy sticks. Individually wrapped. Oh, different flavor, I think. Fruit juice. Shaped like a stick. There's tiny little candies in the middle that's crunchy. 7 out of 10.
7.
Sortidos.
It's assorted milk caramel.
Awesome. There's a lot of flavor. Has an orange hint on it. It's like caramel juice. It tastes like yema from the Philippines. Very soft, grainy, sweet. 10 out of 10.
Reminds me of home in the Philippines. 10.
See what's inside the yum bag.
Candy!
Super Coco. Another coffee candy. Bon Bon Bomb.
Let's try the Super Coco. Never mind, my teeth will fall off.
Straightforward Coco. Not 10 out of 10 for being Coco.
Gracias, Colombia, for letting us taste your country.